Good afternoon, friends. Welcome to our presentation. Today, let us discuss the very important chapter, the mental features of different miasms. Let us discuss the first miasm, the mother of all chronic miasm, that is Shora. The mental features of Shora: diversion, perversion to commit evil, quick and active, easily frightened, sensitive to odor of flowers, food, bad news, joy, prostrated easily from mental exertion, dizzy, faint in a crowd or without unusual ordeal. In continuation, anxious and restlessness, especially in thoughts with keenness of intelligence, time goes too fast or too slow, always complaining, never satisfied with his conditions in life, delusions, indolent, aversion to bathing and working, absent-minded and aversion to company, better by normal discharges, aggravation, new moon, approach of menses, better by weeping and expressing. Then let us discuss about the psychotic miasm, the figure disease. The mental features are suspicion and jealousy, irritability, anger, tendency to make secret in everything. If he writes or says something, he will repeat it over and over again. Broods over things. Psychosis coupled with Shora is the basis of criminal insanity and most suicidal tendency you will get. Psychosis develops the worst form of degeneracy due to basic suspicion and jealousy, produces the worst form of cruelty and cunningness. Most mischievous of all miasm is psychotic miasm. All vicious individuals on earth, thieves, robbers, murderers, are products of psychosis. Recollection of recent events difficult while they can recall the events of past. Difficult in giving his case to physician. Lack of self-confidence and inferiority feeling always predominant. Better when warts or fibrous growths appear. Better with return of breaking of old sores or ulcers and return of acute gonorrheal manifestations. General amelioration by leukorrhea, catarrhal discharges. Aggravation, weather change, thunderstorms, sensitive to barometric changes. That's why Phyllis Pitt called it the barometer miasm. Let us discuss about syphilitic miasm. Pitiated mentality, dull, stupid, stubborn, morose, slow reaction, depressed and keeps troubles to himself, mistrustful or syphilitic patient. Desire to escape and get away from self, imbecility, idiocy, lack of comprehension, destruction, degeneration and dissolution are predominant features of syphilitic miasm. Loss of love for his own life, lack of self-confidence, suicidal tendency, restlessness driving out of bed, cold-blooded patient or psychotic patient, all congenital defects, aggravation at night and perspiration. Then let us discuss about tubercular miasm, which is introduced by Dr. Allen. Dissatisfaction in the keynotes, lack of tolerance, changeability, problem child or tubercular child, slow comprehension, lack of concentration. Then dissatisfaction, lack of intolerance, also predominance, unable to keep the line of thought, unsocial, fear of dogs, cosmopolitan mentality, desire for things which cause elements, all the complaints, aggravation from sleep, amelioration temporarily by foot or axillary sweat, by outgrain of all ulcer. These are the mentality of all miasms. In sequence, first SORA gets entry, after SORA the psychotic get entry, then the tubercular comes, at last the syphilitic miasm comes. SORA produces all the inflammatory diseases, psychotic produces all the infiltrative and proliferative disorders, tubercular all hemorrhagic disorders, allergy, whereas the alternation in structure must be found. Allergy, where there is no alternation, it comes under SORA, but where alternation is found, that is under tubercular miasm. Syphilitic means destruction, all the destructive diseases, they comes under syphilitic miasm. Thank you very much for patience listening. Thank you for listening to my presentation again.